What's the meaning of clean cut? Clean cut. Clean cut.
Clean cut. Clean cut. Clean cut is an adjective used to describe someone or something with a neat, well-groomed appearance. It refers to a person who is sharply dressed, with a tidy hairstyle and well-maintained grooming. For example, a clean-cut businessman might wear a tailored suit, have a neat haircut, and be clean-shaven. An object can also be described as clean-cut if it has sharp, precise edges or lines. In general, a clean-cut appearance suggests attention to detail, professionalism and a sense of refinement.